Hello everyone and welcome. Usually I'm going to walk you through how to block trackers on your Opera GX. You know Opera GX is a gaming browser, so we want to block the ads on it. How do we do it? It's quite simple. By the left hand side you can see the sidebar over here. We're going to do is that make sure this gear icon is showing to show your settings. In case it's not showing, click on the three dots at the bottom here and make sure you turn it on over here under Opera Tools so it can show. So then you click on the gear icon, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to see under privacy protection. Sorry, let me do that again. Under basic, you're going to see this option that says block ads and serve the web. Now if it's turned up, this is how it will look. Block ads and serve the web up to 3 times. So now what I need is the block tracker, which is the second option here. So you turn it on. Now you can decide to manage the exceptions by clicking on manage exceptions, and then you add the site you want to add as an exception. You can also manage it by clicking on manage list to see the ones that are there. You can see so far nothing. Now you can see this selected lists are updated automatically. You can also do it now by clicking on update. So you can see recommended list is on, and that's it. So after editing it, you go back. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.